Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Life and Style. Today in this video I'm going to show you some beautiful designs of men jackets made with crochet designs and patterns. These jackets made with crochets, and these are very trending in nowadays. So if you're living in a cold area and having a cold weather, I would definitely recommend you guys to invest something in crochet things. Like, they are very comfortable and provide you very warm and cozy look, and at the same time they are very eco-friendly as compared to other jackets. And so as you can see the colors, you can customize it in any colors and matching it with your, and you can contrast it with your t-shirts. So it's all up to you guys whether you want full sleeve and half sleeves. It's all up to you guys. As you can see, this one is granny square patterns and has some different contrast and combination. So yeah, if you like the video, do subscribe the channel and do share these amazing designs with your beloved ones. And if you are running a small shop and having a good business, so I would definitely recommend you guys to introduce these type of crochet jackets, and they will really boost up your sales. So yeah, if you like the video, do subscribe the channel and follow for more, and don't forget to press the bell icon button to get the latest update of my upcoming videos. Bye bye, have a good day.